Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best marshmallow roasting sticks. So let's get started. Number 7. MalloMe Marshmallow. These are a widely beloved set of roasting sticks, particularly for families or children. They are 30 inches long, as opposed to the usual 22 inches, making them safer for children as they can stand farther from the fire but still join in on the fun. The prongs are not sharply tipped, so you don't have to worry about kids pricking their fingers or fighting each other with these. In addition, each one has a differently colored band at the base of the handle, so everyone can keep track of which one is theirs. These are high-quality, FDA-approved sticks made of non-toxic stainless steel. The forks even retract into their handles and can be stored in the included heat-resistant pouch. This set sells for around $50. Number 6. Rome Industries 22-inch Marshmallow. This set is made of chrome-plated steel in the USA. The sticks come in a pack of 8 and measure 22 inches long. Each retro-styled handle is a different color so everyone can remember whose is whose. This can be very handy for cross-contamination purposes, as well as adding to the fun of a backyard fire. This set, manufactured by outdoor cookware specialist Rome Industries. Prongs are a good length for hot dogs and marshmallows. Set sells for around $20. Number 5. Naturo Marshmallow. This set comes in a pack of 8, with 2 of each color. The ends are double-pronged so you can cook several marshmallows, or vegetable, or hot dog at the same time. This set sells for around $35 and comes with a very cute retro-styled carrying bag, so you can easily transport the skewers to the campsite or cottage. Made of FDA-approved, non-toxic stainless steel. The company promises a lifetime guarantee and includes 2 complimentary cookbooks with each set of sticks. Number 4. Kitchen World Premium Roasting Sticks. These roasting sticks come in a pack of 5. They are a must-have for families with young children, as they are telescoping, extendable handles, and can reach 45 in length, keeping kids safely away from fire. They are made from non-toxic, heat-treated stainless steel. The sharp tips are protected by rubber so kids won't hurt themselves. These can also be used as a fork to move food from a grill to a plate. They retract to 10 inches and can be stored in the included canvas pouch, or easily packed up and taken to the campsite or cottage. Manufacturer Kitchen provides a lifetime guarantee on this product. Their rubber handle with indents is a very comfortable and non-slip surface. Another cool feature is each stick can hold up to 1.43 pounds. When loaded, the stick will bend but not break, and will go right back to its original shape. Their bright color makes them easily found in the dark. This set sells for around $40. Number 3. Aoocan set of 8 Marshmallow. These roasting sticks are 32 inches long and made of non-toxic stainless steel for safe roasting, so you and children can stay a safe distance from the fire. They have non-sharp prongs, making them safe for children, but still very effective. The forks retract into the handles, down to a length of only 12 inches, and the set includes a handy traveling heat-resistant pouch. They are easy to store and take on camping trips. These are also very easy to clean. Each handle has a differently colored ring so everyone can reuse their own without worrying about cross-contamination. Kids will get a kick out of the colors and be very excited to use them. The wood handle tips are BPA-free. For the quality and telescope feature, this set is one of the best values on the market, selling for just $13. Number 2. Jolly Green Extendable Rotating Marshmallow. No need to twist and turn your stick for the proper roasting with Jolly Green's roasting sticks, because they are designed to rotate easily for perfectly even toasty marshmallows every time. They have 2 tines that are set wide enough to spear a marshmallow on each, for twice the fun. These attractive marshmallow roasting sticks are made from sturdy stainless steel, and they telescope from 10 to 34 inches for easy storage and safe cooking. There are 5 sticks in this set, so there's enough for the family or a small gathering. These will also work great for cooking hot dogs over a campfire. Number 1. FIREPIT Sticks Bamboo Roasting Sticks. These bamboo sticks are a full 36 inches long, so they're perfect for use around a campfire, and just as useful at home in front of a fire pit. When you don't need quite that much length, these sticks are easy to snap or cut to a shorter length, if desired. When cooking is done, these can simply be tossed into the fire to dispose of them, or toss them into the compost or the trash. This set includes 50 sticks, so there's plenty for backyard barbecues, parties, events, and good family bonding time as you make s'mores. Not just for cooking, these are also handy for crafts.